Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Danka Praktik. In this video we'll show you how to change the filter on a pool pump. We'll show you two ways. The first one is a bit slower and the other one is much faster. Also, this pump comes from Intex, but the basic principle of replacing the filter can be applied to pumps from other manufacturers since they are similar. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
If you want to see how to install an above-ground swimming pool or how to set up a pool pump and vent the system from excess air, we recommend watching our videos on this topic. Click on the cards in the corner of the video or on the links in the description to watch them. As mentioned, this method is slower but is more by the book, so to say. First of all, and whatever of these methods you choose, first disconnect the pump from the power supply and move the power supply to a safe distance. In this case, it's an extension cord. Next, plug the openings for the water in the pool. In this case, there are rubber plugs for this. You first have to remove the plastic nozzles and put the plugs instead of them. But know that in this case, the hoses can fall off. If this happens, no problem, you'll just spill a small amount of water from the hoses. Another option, and you may need help with this one, once you remove the nozzles, tuck the hoses into the pool and then raise the whole pump above the water level in order to drain the pump. This is a bit tricky as the hoses tend to fall out of the pool. Once you've drained the pump, take off the plastic lid. Turn the plastic ring counterclockwise and take off the lid. After that, insert the new filter, return the lid and tighten the ring again. If you've disconnected the hoses, reconnect and tighten them once more. Remove the plugs and let the water flow into the pump. Connect the pump to the power supply and vent the system from excess air. Now for the quicker method. Just know that you'll spill some water while doing this, so the quicker you are, the less water you'll spill. In this case, there is no fuss around the hoses, nozzles, clamps and else. Prepare the new filter and make sure it's readily at hand. A key factor is that you have the proper sized filter so you don't have problems inserting it into the pump. Without touching anything else, unscrew the plastic ring, quickly open the lid, remove the old filter and quickly insert the new one. A small fountain of water will appear and spill, but at least in our case, it's nothing serious. Quickly return the lid and tighten the plastic ring again. Once you're done, start the pump, check for leaks and vent the system. Our recommendation would be the second, easier method. We use it all the time, it's much easier, less work, and once you get the hang of it, it's done in a couple of minutes. Since the filter is best changed about every 7 to 10 days when the pool is used on a daily basis, this is very practical. Choose whatever method suits you best. Just make sure that you always disconnect the pump from the power supply before you start and to vent the system afterwards so the pump doesn't struggle with the water flow. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.